In the colorful town of Glimmer Grove, Barbie was known for her kindness and creativity. One sunny morning, Barbie decided to plant a magical garden. She gathered her friends, Ken, Skipper, and Chelsea, each with their own unique talents. Ken was great at building things, Skipper loved taking care of plants, and Chelsea was known for her artistic flair. Together, they headed to the meadow at the edge of the town. Barbie had a special box of seeds that were rumored to grow into a rainbow of flowers. "Let's work together to make this the most beautiful garden ever," Barbie cheered. Ken started building enchanting arches and pathways, while Skipper carefully planted the seeds following a special pattern. Chelsea painted delightful signs with the names of the flowers to come. Barbie, with her love and care, watered the seeds and sang to them every day. To their amazement, the seeds began to sprout quickly, and each day brought new colors and surprises. One morning, as they admired the growing garden, a sudden storm came through Glimmer Grove. The friends hurried to protect their plants, using tarps and blankets to shield them from the wind and rain. Despite their efforts, they feared the garden would be ruined. When the storm passed, they returned to find the garden was indeed damaged. The flowers were bent, and some paths were washed away. Feeling disheartened, they gathered together. But Barbie reminded them, "We can fix this. Together, we can make the garden bloom again. Our friendship is as strong as any storm." With renewed determination, the friends rolled up their sleeves. Ken fixed the paths, Skipper nurtured the flowers back to health, Chelsea repainted the washed-out signs, and Barbie tended to each plant with extra care. Slowly but surely, the garden began to flourish again, even more vibrant than before. The Rainbow Garden became the pride of Glimmer Grove, a symbol of teamwork, resilience, and friendship. And so, Barbie and her friends learned that with creativity, hard work, and unity, they could overcome any challenge and grow something truly magical.